Today, we will be doing Mission 4, Lesson 18, Application Problem. Haley and Geo solve 56 plus 85. Geo says the answer is 131. Haley says the answer is 141. Explain who is correct using numbers, pictures, or words. Let's find the numbers that we need for today's problem. I think we need to know 56 plus 85, and we need to know if that's 131 or 141. There's not really a question today, more of a statement. Explain who is correct using numbers, pictures, or words. So we can use numbers to explain, we can draw pictures, or we can use words. We know that the math problem to be solved is 56 plus 85. And we want to know what that equals. I'm going to put the vertical notation over to the left. Okay, here's our place value chart. Remember, when we know our parts, we're adding, we're putting together. We need to put together 56 and 85 and determine if it's 131 or 141. Let's see. We're going to start with 56. How many tens are in 56? There are 5 tens in 56. How many ones are in 56? There are 6 ones in 56. Remember, when we're using place value disc or drawing it using circles, put your circles in rows of 5. That makes it easier for you to count. Counting by fives are easy. Okay, now we need to show 85. How many tens are in 85? Did you say 8? Can you draw 8 on your paper? How many ones are in 85? I hope you said 5. Try drawing those on your paper as well. So here I have all of our place value disc, tens and ones. When we add, we put together. I'm going to put together a group of 10 in my ones because there were way too many ones over there. I had 11 ones altogether, and I can only have up to 9 because if I have 10, I have to make a group, bundle it up, and send it over to the tens place. So that's what I've done. I moved 10 circles together. Then we're going to bundle that up. And we're going to move it over. Are we moving all 10 circles over? No, we're not. We're moving one circle over and calling it a 10. Do you see where I put the little 1 over in the vertical notation? That's just showing that I moved over 1. So I've added an extra 10 to the tens place, and I need to write that down so that I'll remember. I'm going to just shade those gray, just so I know I've already used them. We're not going to count those anymore because we already bundled them and moved them to the tens. I'm going to do the same thing in the tens place. I'm able to bundle another 10. Do you remember what happens when I bundle 10 tens? What does that make? 10 tens make 100. So I'm going to move those over and put one 100 place value disc in the column. I need to mark that on my notation as well. So see the other little 1 on your screen? That means I have 1 moved over to the hundreds place. I'm going to shade those gray so that I know I've already counted them. Okay, now we have 100 discs. We have 4 tens discs. And we have 1 ones disc. That means we have 100, we have 4 tens, which is 40, and 1 1. So that is 141. Did you get all that? Okay. We used pictures to explain because we drew the place value chart. Haley is correct because 56 plus 85 is 141. What do you think Geo did wrong? Maybe he bundled his 10 ones but forgot to put it in the tens place. That could be why he got the answer wrong. Okay, that's it for today.